Hey Dana, I'm on my blog. I spy a Stang, and she is a Shelby. It's definitely the 05 body style. Hopefully I can catch up with the owner here in a minute so I can take a quick all-around view. Black and really looks sharp.
Oversized injectors. I just put super coils in it.
No kidding. So you got her out. Did you buy it from somebody? Or did you have it custom?
No,
done.
I'm the second owner of this. I bought it in Selling Groves, PA.
Did you? The shows down there?
No. I went down. The guy that owned it actually owned the Ford dealership that I bought it from.
Oh really?
He got in a motorcycle accident, messed up his knee, couldn't shift it.
Beautiful. What year is it?
7.
It is right off right coming up. Thank you.
Yeah.
Man, beautiful. You said you put an updated chip in it. Where are you, bud? Why are you jumping out of the car again? That's sweet. Yeah. Very nice. I don't know how many horses. But it's an 07. Showing the plate. TNW update. All leather. With 6-speed. That is beautiful. Sweet. Awesome. Shoot what the horses are on it, but that's beautiful. Alright, thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, and definitely share. Catch me on the next I Spy a Stang. And I just finished talking to him, and without the chip it was like $425 in horses, and with the chip he's got $485.